5 times 2 gives us 10, and 20 divided by 2 divided by 10 is going to be the equation, and 20 divided by 2 gives us 10, and 10 divided by 10 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, which I am going to write here, so according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, right? So parentheses is the first thing to solve, and it is priority number 1. And the second thing to solve is exponent, it is priority number 2. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division, so it is priority number 3. And at last, we have to solve addition or subtraction, it is priority number 4. Here is where most people get trick and get it wrong. This kind of problem, most people miss. A lot of people, more than half of people already lost this, and I am seeing a lot of argument in the comment section. Please guys, be humble in the comment. So here is the thing. For multiplication or division, we are going to solve the problem left to right. This is because multiplication or division have equal priority, right? So they both have equal priority, meaning we don't prioritize one over another, because they have naturally equal priority. So what we are going to do instead, we are going to start from left, and we are going to solve the equation all the way to the right, and that's it. Okay, let's do the maths together and solve this tricky question. So 20 divided by 2 is the first sequence, since we are going to simply solve the problem left to right. So that is what we are going to do. 20 divided by 2 gives us 10, and 10 is going to be divided by 5, and that is going to be multiplied by 2. So 10 divided by 5 is the next sequence. So 10 divided by 5 gives us 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So the final answer to this question is 4, not 1.